Hello, welcome back to my channel. Okay, so I got a blind box, BJD in the mail from kikagoods. I ordered this, I pre-ordered it like a couple months ago, maybe like 2 months ago, and it came in the mail and I don't have any other ones to open, so I'm just doing this one for this video. This box feels really big because this is just like one doll, and I did pre-order it. I think it comes with freebies, but to be honest, I'm not really sure. I'm just like, why is this box so big? Because it's a 1/12 scale doll, and yeah, I don't know. I'm excited to open it. The packaging is adorable. I was really excited for this series because it has like an anthropomorphic face. Just like the style of the character looked really adorable. So I was excited to get this in the mail. It's just one of the ones that I pre-ordered recently that I've been really looking forward to. This packaging is everything. It kind of reminds me of like the characters kind of remind me of like old school Final Fantasy a little bit. But yeah, let's just look at the packaging, I guess. The eyes are so cool. Whoa. That's so cool. These are all the characters. So, I don't know, I'm kind of down for like most of them. I feel like the only character that I'm not crazy about is like this one. This one's like okay. Also, weirdly enough, I usually like the religious characters and I just kind of feel pretty meh about this one. But yeah, I'm excited to see what I get. I feel like my favorite is, I like this green one. I like this little witch. I like that lady. So any of those would be cool. I guess this is the secret. It's like a demon. Let's just open her up, okay? So, little tear strip. Oh, that wasn't a very good tear strip right there. Wow, that's a really bad tear strip. Hello? Okay, there we go. Alright. Honestly, I feel like I want the one on the packaging the most. Who is this? Ah! Oh my god, I got the religious one. That's funny. It's like the first time I've ever been like, I don't really care about the religious one. I got the religious one. Oh, I mean, whatever. She's cute. Okay, let's see what's in here and why the packaging is so big. So we have this. I don't know if this company, I don't know what this company is, to be honest, so I don't know if they came out with like any other dolls. I guess that's it. Okay, so it just showed you like the posability and everything. Alright. Oh, I guess there's decals in here. We can look at that. I don't know what this is. Put that over there. I guess like this stuff, well, that's her dress. I don't know. I guess some of this stuff is like the freebies. Oh, she's cute. Wait, okay. Mama. Okay, hold on. Alright. So, just from like quickly glancing at her, I feel like there's some like aesthetic body issues. Her face is adorable though, and I do like that she, I mean, I guess she has like white hair, blonde hair. She's very like gold toned. These shoes are pretty cool. What is this? I guess it's a little flesh colored ear. I don't know. Oh, it's so tiny. I'm like, I don't want to lose it. Does she have another face? Okay, yeah, she has another face where she has like an opened up mouth. Let me like zoom in a little bit. It's cute. Got some hands. I do really like these like fat little hands. Fat little human hands. Her feet. Those are so cute. I wanna like look at these decals real quick. I've never used decals. I don't see myself ever using decals, but like maybe one day I will, who knows? Oh, those are cool. There's like eye ones too. I like that it's a thing that you can like do, because obviously there's people who don't have like artistic ability and maybe they want a different face. All right, before I get her dressed up, I want to kind of just like, I feel like there's some issues with this body. These arms, bro, like I think they're in the right direction. I don't know, I feel like her arm, like the forearm, it like won't bend down. Wait, does it, maybe it's flipped, maybe the hold on. No, I don't think, I thought it was like flipped the wrong way maybe. This is just, I don't know, it's not the most like aesthetically pleasing joint I've ever seen. I'm also not used to seeing them, like I'm used to this just being like a ball or something, but this is an MJD, so maybe this is a thing that's more common in mechanical BJDs. Her hair won't like stay on. There's like a gap here. What is that? That's weird. She also has long hair, which is kind of, why is her arm like popping up like that? She looks like she's like a buff guy. She has long hair, which I think is not the most common thing in blind box BJDs because the hair gets like really heavy and kind of unruly. I'm kind of wondering if I take this off, if her arms, like, what is happening with her arms? Are you flipped the wrong way? Like what? Yeah, like the waist is so small and then the hips are kind of big and then the forearms are so big that like it's just making this like weird gap that is just bugging me for some reason, but maybe I'm just being nitpicky. I think I'm just used to like, they're like, because it has the bend to it so the arms can't like flush down. It's just weird, bruh. The posing on like the knees and stuff is really smooth. Oh gosh. The feet are really hard to pose. I'm gonna see, I always get nervous with MJDs and I'm just gonna like break the joint because, I mean, I can't even get this off, this hand. Because I've done that before. I had a Lara BJD and the joint on the hand just completely snapped off. Or like the wrist joint actually. She just doesn't have a hand. And now I'm like a little paranoid and scared that that's just gonna happen. Yeah, I genuinely, I can't get this off. What? The feet come off? Okay, that was really hard. And huh. Jesus Christ, where did it go? So like, this is like at an angle. It's not like, it's not straight down. That's, oh, I don't know. I genuinely think that this hole is too small for this. Like, I'm using all of my strength to try to put this in. That just like snapped on, I don't know, guys. I'm like so confused. Cause I want her to have feet. I like these shoes. And then also, I kind of want to take these off and put like real hands on her, just because that's kind of how I prefer. Like, even though she has this like anthropomorphic head, I kind of prefer when they have like hands and not paws and stuff. But I can't even get it to be like an option because I can't get them off. And then I can't get the things on, or I don't know. Whoa, okay. I got that off. Okay. Can I get the hand on? Okay, so these make more sense because they're just straight on. Jesus. Okay, I think that's on. But there's like a gap, so I feel like it needs to like snap. Okay, there's that. Maybe I should put her clothes on. Alright, I'm gonna put her clothes on and then I'm gonna mess around with the like hands and stuff. Because I don't want to put her hands on and it takes me like 20 minutes to take them off and put her clothes on. Alright, here she is. I'm not even gonna lie to you guys. I haven't had a experience with a doll that was this annoying to just get to do stuff in a while. So like, I cannot for the life of me get her other feet on or her other hands. Yeah, I just can't do it. So she has to have these, which is a little frustrating because I think these boots are really cool. I want to put those on her. The feet are really cute. The hands are really cute. It just doesn't work. And my hands now hurt really bad from trying. So I'm just a little annoyed. Yeah, they also come with like this, which I'm just not even gonna bother like putting on her hands because then I have to deal with like yanking at the joints again. Oh, her horn, that's right. Wait, can I still put these on her with the head thingy on? Yeah, okay. Where's the magnet? I don't know. Okay, I guess this isn't working. Well, alright, anyway. Just another thing that's annoying. It was just really frustrating trying to get to use. I just think the engineering on like the feet and the hands is a little wonky. Also like the arms. The legs are pretty good. So that's cool. Like, I mean, they're not pretty good, like they're good. I do think like the end presentation is cute. I just think she would be cuter if she could wear these boots and have some hands. But what you gonna do? Also, it was interesting to see that her ears are detachable. I'm just used to like Ant 2. I think it's Ant 2. They have a doll with like this kind of style of ears and their ears are just stuck to their head. So it was interesting to see that these ones are detachable. I guess we'll just look at the other stuff. So boots. Cute. She's got tons of hands that I can't do anything with. She's got some feet. She has extra hands and feet. I don't really, which is cool, I guess. There's a bunch of hands in here. Oh, that's cute. They're like clasping. Aww. These little fluffy things that I think go on her wrist. These little ears. There's a bunch of extra face plates, which is cool because I think her faceplate is really adorable. And then this is her extra face that she came with, where her mouth's open. It came with a keychain, which is cute. I actually like using these, putting them on my bag. And the artwork is pretty cute. A little acrylic keychain. Adorable. With extra shoes that I'm never gonna be able to use because I can't get her feet on. And then some like little socks and underwear. I didn't put the underwear on just because her outfit is so long that it just doesn't really seem like it's necessary. I like her little hat thing. And the fabric's pretty nice. Okay, so here she is. I have kind of like mixed feelings about this doll. I think there's just a lot of like really interesting stylized choices for them, and I think like overall the style of them is pretty cool, but I think that there's just some things that literally don't work with them, having to do with like their body, their hands, their feet, the engineering. I literally can't use her human feet or her human hands, and that is very annoying. And it also just really limits the doll and makes it so that I can't use like any of like the extra hands she came with, which is a ton of them. I can't use her like boots, and I can't really even get the full picture of what I want visually for this doll because I want to give her the human hands and feet. It's just really unfortunate. I think I could probably like heat up the plastic and do it, but I don't really know what type of like plastic this is, and I mean it'd probably be fine to heat up. I don't know. It just makes me feel a little weird. And honestly, I shouldn't have to do that. It should just work. Like, why don't the feet work? Why are they so strange? Why is it at a weird angle? Like, so that it's really hard to put the little peg into the foot. It's just very unnecessary problems. And things that, I'm trying to think if I've ever run into it with a different doll. Like, there's definitely dolls that have had engineering problems, but I feel like not quite, I don't know. The 10,000 Escape Plan dolls are a bit wonky with some of their engineering, but like you can take the hands and feet off. I mean, this one is an MJD and those ones are BJDs, so it's a bit different, but they're functional for the most part. And this one, I mean, sure, I guess if you don't want to switch out their hands and feet, then they're, I guess, fine, even though there's just, again, some wonky things with the engineering, like the arms. I want to do what I want to do with her, which is pretty basic stuff, like switching out her hands and feet. I think you guys get what I'm saying. It's a very pretty doll. I think, honestly, in this like realm of religious aesthetics for dolls that I've seen, this one's not my favorite, but I still like her. Like, I still, you know, think she's really pretty. I just have seen ones that I've liked more, but yeah, have you guys seen these? Have you picked any up? Have you encountered the same problems with the engineering and like the hands and feet that I have? Which one did you get if you've picked them up? Let me know. But yeah, like this video if you like this video, subscribe, makes me happy, and I hope you guys are having a beautiful day. Bye!